Hey Nathan. All right, here's two more the wireless remotes. Make sure when you reprogram, you have to reprogram all your remotes to this. So right now, this one's not programmed at all. So if you hit the A button, nothing. Okay. I programmed the B button not to work because I figure you don't need the B button for one. Number two, if somebody puts the B button on, forgets to shut it off, it will wear the battery out. So the A button is for the lights and the bell for both wireless crossings. So like it says, A button doesn't do anything. So what you can do for every remote, push the black button once, the light will go off, and then hit your A button. Hold it until the A button clicks. Okay, so now this one's reprogrammed, and then you're going to go to the other one, press it once, and then hit your A button, and the relay will click on.